other breaking developments tonight involving Ray Tenzing. His attorney tells us there have been serious threats made against his client. And he says the former UC officer is like a zombie, as if he's in a trance.
Well, Tenzing remains jailed tonight after being arraigned on a murder charge this morning. Bond is set at $1 million, and he needs to raise $100,000 to be able to get out. 9 on your side's Tom McKee was there and is live tonight with how emotions flared both before and after this hearing. Tom?
Well, that's certainly correct, because this is a case that's drawing worldwide attention. You can see all the networks are here. Protesters were out earlier chanting "No justice, no peace." And up on the 5th floor of the courthouse behind me, there was a lot of tension, a lot of emotion, but it was peaceful.
It was crowded and hectic outside Judge Megan Shanahan's courtroom Thursday. DuBose family members had trouble getting in to see Ray Tenzing arraigned.
Said he's so devastated about being arrested. We wanted to see him so he can know that his actions made us all devastated for losing our brother.
But space was found in the courtroom just moments before the hearing began. Camera shutters clicked away as Ray Tenzing was brought in dressed in a black and white Justice Center uniform. His attorney asked for an OR bond. Prosecutors sought $1 million, which the judge granted.
The bond will be $1 million anyway. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a courtroom. You will conduct yourselves at all times appropriately.
As Tenzing was led away back to the Justice Center, emotional reactions emerged from the DuBose family.
I don't believe he should have had a bond, period, for killing my cousin. He got justice, that's all I'm worried about. It's not going to bring my nephew back.
Defense attorney Stu Matthews says his client feels like he's been run over by a train and is shocked at being jailed. Plus, he says the body cam video doesn't tell the entire story.
There are two sides to this thing, that the case will ultimately be tried and decided in a courtroom, and that videotape is subject to more than the interpretation that's been put out there by the prosecutor.
As protesters gathered outside, DuBose supporters weren't happy with Matthews as he finished his interview with me.
He was in fear of his life at the time this happened. Mr. DuBose pulled away and his arm was caught in the car and he got dragged. And
he shouldn't have been trying to open up the door. That's not procedure. That's against the law.
Well, the interview ended at that particular point in time to not cause additional problems. Obviously, as you saw, very, very emotional all the way around. The next court date is August 19th for what's known as a disposition scheduling conference in the case. Tom McKee, 9 on your side, live downtown.
All right, Tom, thanks for the latest.